Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a 9-month follow-up on the PuroAir HEPA 14 240 air purifier, which is this air purifier right here. I previously did an unboxing of this back in February, about 9 months ago, and I've been using this in my bedroom corner for that time period. Since then, even though the air replacement or air filter replacement indicator light's been on, I never actually replaced it because I never reached through the company to either purchase or get the free replacement. And so recently I got a replacement filter through the company, and what we'll do in this video is we'll go through installing that and discussing the air purifier and how it functions. As always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing this, I'll leave links below. But we'll just get started as far as discussing this. So this air purifier you can currently get on Amazon or PuroAir's website for about $159. This is the 240 model. It basically has a HEPA 14 filter, so it's really good for purifying the air, reducing allergens, that sort of thing. This covers 1,115 square feet, so it's really good for small apartments, or if you have a larger home, you can put multiple of these in different locations. You can purchase this as either one single unit, or typically you can actually purchase it as well for 2 separate units at a reduced price, so that's always an option. As far as the features, it has an auto air quality indicator. We'll go over all these. It has 3 separate fan speeds as well as a sleep mode. It has a filter replacement indicator, and then it has a timer for different times as far as keeping it on or keeping it on all the time. And those are the main features there. It also has a child lock as well. So those are the main features. And then additionally, when you first purchase this, they do have a free replacement filter that you can get through the company. All you have to do for that process is just go to the company's website, fill out some information, and they automatically send this to you free of charge without any shipping costs. And we'll walk through actually installing that. But as far as the features here, this is what the air purifier looks like after 9 months of use. Typically what I find from my experience is a lot of large dust particles will get stuck in this bottom part here. So I have vacuumed this pretty consistently, and generally in this corner of my room you'll see dust particles come in pretty routinely. And so it does function very well there. On the bottom here, it's basically going to filter all the large particles, and then the filter itself deeper inside of it will filter out the HEPA or the smaller particles, and it'll get caught on that. So that's that. And then the air kind of circulates out the top on the top here. As far as the features here, so there is an indicator light here where I believe when you turn this off and on, it'll show a yellow indicator light when it's first looking. And then if the air quality is poor, it'll stay yellow. But then if it is green, good quality air, it'll switch to a green indicator. I've never really had it at a yellow setting, so that's something to note. And then on the left side here, there's several different modes as far as the actual settings for this. So there's three separate intensities. So if you hit this bottom button on the left, it'll cycle through a low, medium, and high. It will get louder when you get on the higher level, but it does circulate the air much higher from that standpoint. And then there's a sleep mode here, which is this moon indicator, which is much quieter. So if you notice that when you're sleeping, this is kind of intrusive or does distract you, you can use the sleep mode. And then the low mode is, and then when you toggle through this, you can go to the low mode, which is very similar to the sleep mode, but those are the 3 settings there. Definitely increases, and you can cycle through that. Otherwise on the side here, I've never really messed with this. I've usually actually kept the fan on all the time, literally for 9 months straight without any issues. But you can toggle through on the right hand side here different timers. So they have a 2-hour, a 4-hour, a 6-hour, in an 8-hour setting. And so with that, basically it'll stay on for that period of time and then shut off on its own. So that's that, but basically it'll automatically stay on otherwise. And then on the top right here, if you can see it flashing, is an indicator light for the air filter replacement. Sorry, I turned this off. And that actually, for me personally, turned on about 2 months in, and I just never went ahead and replaced the filter. Over the past 9 months, what I would intermittently do is just vacuum the outside of any debris and then take out the filter on the inside, and then basically vacuum it and put it back in. And it still filters well, but it's probably not as effective as using a full replacement filter. So that's the main features of this. It's a really nice setup. It's very compact. When you do set it up, you do want to have some space around it so it can filter air. If you have it in a compact area, it won't work as well. So that's that. Now what we'll do is we'll just turn this off. I'll show you what the inside looks like here. And so basically, in order to replace this, all you have to do is turn this counterclockwise. This is the filter. It'll just insert directly in. And this is what I mean as far as what it looks like. So basically, when it filters through, it'll get all these dust particles, all right? And that'll capture on the outside of it. So it works very, very well from that standpoint. And usually what I've done over the past 9 months is I would just vacuum this off, clear it out, and get rid of all this like free debris. I've got a ton of dust that seems to come from my laundry somehow, which is super annoying in my apartment. But that's what the filter looks like after 9 months of use, and it still has been effective that entire time. But now what we'll do is we'll just get the replacement. Okay, so this is what comes in the box. This was the free replacement they sent me, but they gave me a coupon for $15 off as another filter. So when you need to get a replacement, it's nice to have that coupon. You just can use the QR code. If you have questions, concerns, you can reach out to them. Those are the 2 inserts that come with it. And then this is the replacement filter. Comes in a plastic bag. All you have to do is basically just tear this open, take it out. It's virtually identical compared to the other one. And so here's a side-by-side comparison of 9 months of use. And so obviously this one's much dirtier, has a lot more dust, but this one is brand new and much cleaner as far as that. And so now what we'll do is I will clean this out, but basically all you have to do for installation is just insert it directly in here, put the lid back on, and there's a groove pattern. Yeah, oh, no, not see there. So it's seated, clicked into place, so that's working well there. Now you just flip it back over, and then you can turn it on. And I'm not entirely sure whether the air filter replacement will turn off automatically, but I believe there is a way to turn that off. We'll have to see in a second. Yeah, I'll have to mess with that as far as turning it off. I believe if you like hold one of these buttons or something like that, it will. But that's the process there. As far as toggling through, the air filter works the same, no different from that standpoint. But that's all I have for this video. Hopefully this is helpful. This was just a 9-month follow-up on the PuroAir air filter. I think it's worked extremely well. Obviously from the filter and all the debris around it, it's definitely clearing out the air. It's routinely sucking in the air, and for me personally, I haven't noticed a drastic difference as far as like my I don't know, air quality or something from a personal standpoint as far as breathing and allergens, but obviously it's doing the job as far as eliminating dust particles and debris in the air. So it's definitely better overall quality of air in general. So thanks for watching. If you have questions, comments, post them below, but thanks for watching and have a great day.